Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you're enjoying this video so far. I wanted to come on and let you know that this video is a part of a collaboration. I am a member of the Home Decor Luxe Club. Now the members of the club are as follows: Glam Elegant Living, she's the main host. That's Lady Allie, our founder. Creations by Simone, the Rogers House, Amethyst Adventures, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, a Happy Hoarder, and myself, I'm Candy, and you may know my other channel, which is DIY Design by CCW. Now, I've left links to all of the ladies' channels as well as the playlist in my description box, and I hope you'll go and visit all of them. Also, I want to thank you so much for supporting this channel. If you're not a member, I hope you'll decide to subscribe today. Also, please be sure to visit my DIY channel. Again, that's DIY Design by CCW, and my newest channel, which is the Glam Decor channel. All right, everyone, like I say at the end of every single video, I can't wait to see you, each and every one of you, in the next video. All right, everyone, have a wonderful day or night, and Happy New Year. Bye-bye.